Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're showcasing the top 10 awesome woodworking tools you should buy this year. Stay tuned as we guide you through each model's features and benefits. Let's get started. KREG KWS 500 Track Horse Tool. The KREG KWS 500 Track Horse Tool is a versatile solution for woodworking, functioning as a sawhorse, work support, and clamping center. Made from durable aluminum and steel, it supports up to 2,200 pounds when paired with another track horse. This portable tool features 6 adjustable heights and folds for easy storage and transport. Included with the track horse are a KREG 3-inch bench clamp, 4 support brackets, 2 track bushings with screws, and an instruction manual. Its design allows for a large workspace and secure clamping, making it ideal for home improvement projects. MILESCRAFT 8409MC Square 150 Framing Square. The MILESCRAFT 8409MC Square 150 is a 6-inch by 4-inch aluminum framing square designed for precise woodworking. It features inside and outside scales, elongated notches for accurate line scribing, and quick angle finders for 30-degree and 45-degree angles. The anodized aluminum construction with a 3 mm thickness ensures durability. The removable fence allows for flat usage on top of your work surface and aids in creating circles. This multifunctional tool is perfect for measuring, marking, and layout tasks, making it an essential addition to any carpenter's toolkit. General Tools MMD7NP Wood Moisture Meter. The General Tools MMD7NP Wood Moisture Meter is a pinless, non-invasive tool designed to detect moisture levels in wood and building materials. It features a 2-inch diagonal backlit LCD screen, a 3-color LED bar graph, auto calibration, a hold button, and an audible alert for accurate detection. This meter can read moisture up to 19 mm deep with a broad measurement range for softwood, hardwood, wallboard, drywall, and masonry. It helps prevent mold by identifying high moisture areas, ensuring early remediation. With a 9V battery and easy operation, it is ideal for protecting your home from water damage. STANLEY 16793 Chisel Set. The STANLEY 16793 Chisel Set includes 8 high-quality chisels, designed for precise woodworking. Each chisel features a hornbeam wood handle for durability and a high-carbon steel blade with tapered bevel sides for accurate cuts. The chisels are based on the classic 750 series design, known for their sharpness and edge retention. The set includes sizes from 1/8 inch to 1 1/4 inches and comes with a leather pouch for storage. Ideal for striking and paring, these chisels offer comfort and control, making them a reliable choice for woodworkers. Manufactured in Sheffield, England, they come with a limited lifetime warranty. BESSEY GSC C2.536 Clamping Force. The BESSEY GSC C2.536 is a 36-inch bar clamp designed for medium-duty woodworking and DIY projects. It offers 600 pounds of clamping force and features cast heads, a powder-coated finish, and a zinc finish rail for durability and corrosion resistance. The clamp has a 2-piece clutch plate system and protective pads for both jaws to prevent damage to the workpiece. The wooden handle ensures comfortable and ergonomic use. Manufactured in China, this clamp is suitable for various clamping needs and comes with a limited lifetime warranty, making it a dependable tool for any workshop. BOSCH GKF12V25 and Palm Edge Router. The BOSCH GKF12V25 and Palm Edge Router is a compact, battery-powered tool designed for edge routing and trimming. It features an ergonomic design that positions most of the tool over the workpiece for stability and control. Powered by a 12-volt battery, it delivers up to 13,000 revolutions per minute and can handle up to 23 feet of roundover capacity per battery amp hour. The router includes a versatile depth adjustment system for precise adjustments and a depth adjustment lock to prevent tampering. Lightweight at 2.2 pounds, it offers cordless convenience and efficient performance, ideal for professional and DIY woodworking projects. WORKPRO Folding Roller Stand. The WORKPRO Folding Roller Stand is a versatile tool for woodworking, offering an adjustable height from 27 inches to 43 inches. With a heavy-duty load capacity of 250 pounds, it can handle various tasks. The highly visible edge guides ensure your work stays in place, while the eccentric foot provides stability on uneven surfaces. Its portable, lightweight design allows for easy storage and transport. Made with a durable steel frame and legs, this roller stand is ideal for use with table saws, miter saws, planers, and jointers. It comes with a no-hassle 90-day money-back guarantee and lifetime support. Saker Honing Guide Tool. The Saker Honing Guide Tool is an upgraded sharpening holder designed for woodworking chisels and plane blades. Made from alloy steel, it accommodates blades from 0.2 to 2.55 inches wide. The new angle fixing tool secures and fine-tunes the sharpening angle, ensuring uniform sharpening. The off-center roller design enhances performance with shorter planer blades. The wide roller provides greater stability, preventing tipping during use. Its all-metal construction ensures durability and resistance to wear and corrosion. This honing guide is a reliable tool for achieving precise, sharp edges on your chisels and planer blades. Clarke Brothers Marking Knife. The Clarke Brothers Marking Knife is an essential tool for precise woodworking. Featuring a high carbon steel blade, it ensures sharpness and durability for accurate marking. The knife's double-edged blade allows for ambidextrous use, providing better grip and control. Its elegant design includes a vintage paddock wood handle, offering comfort and style. The included real leather sheath adds to its practicality. This marking knife is perfect for scribing lines and creating detailed woodworking joints. It's a great gift for woodworkers, combining functionality and aesthetics for an excellent addition to any toolkit. SUIZAN Japanese Flush Cut Saw. The SUIZAN Japanese Flush Cut Saw is a high-quality tool for precise woodworking. This 5-inch pull saw features a robust blade made from top-quality Japanese steel, ideal for cutting both hardwood and softwood. Its unique design allows for cutting on the pull stroke, making it lighter and requiring less effort than traditional push saws. Crafted by Japanese master craftsmen, this saw ensures clean, razor-sharp cuts. Perfect for cutting oak, sandalwood, ebony, and more, it diversifies your woodworking experience. Whether you are a master or beginner, this saw offers a new level of precision and versatility. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps you find the perfect woodworking tools for your needs. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and reviews. See you next time.